Hello students, today we are going to study next combinational circuit or multiplexer type 16:1 multiplexer. For 16:1 multiplexer, it has 16 input lines, 16 input data input lines, 4 select lines, 1 enable input. This enable input is used for the cascading purpose and 1 output. And that relation in a select line and input line, select input and data input line, n is equal to 2 raised to m. Then for 16:1 multiplexer, how many select lines are required? 4. There are data input lines are 16. So how many number of select lines are required? 2 raised to 4. 2 raised to 4. Then number of data input lines are 16. So for 16:1 multiplexer, there are the 4 select lines are required. Forms D0 to D15, 16 data input, 1 enable input and 1 output. When strobe or enable input is 0, multiplexer output 0. All the status of inputs are 0. When enable is 1, then select any one of the 16 input with the help of select input line and then connect it to select input to the output as shown in the truth table. Means when enable is 1, then enable multiplexer starts its operation, and then we give the data for the select line, and that select line select the data input line, and that output is routed, that input line, data input line is routed to output y, that as shown in a truth table. And the truth table for 16:1 multiplexer, this is the truth table for 16:1 multiplexer. When enable is 1 for select line data 0 0 0, so input is selecting D0, this S3 S2 S1 S0, select line data 0 0 0 0 0, so input is selecting D0 and that output is routed as a D0, Next, for select line data, enable is 1, select line data is 0 0 0 1, so input is selecting D1, that 0 0 0 1 means 1, that input data line selecting as a D1, and that D1 is routed as a output as a Y. And that is a truth table for the 16:1, that form 0 to 15. 0 to 15 number, that is the data input lines, that output is routed as a depends on this select lines. 0 0 0 1 means that 0 0 1 0 means D2, that number is a 2, so D2 input is selecting, so D2 output we get as a Y output. 0 0 1 1, that data for the select line, that select line select the input data input line as a D3 input, so D3 output as a Y is a routed, so output Y is a D3 up to 0 to 15, that we get the data as a select line input we select, that form 1 1 1 1, 0 0 0 2 1 1 1. That is the truth table for 0 to 15. And for this multiplexer, we cannot develop the equation, or for there are the 16 terms, so we require the 16 AND gates and 1 OR gate. That diagram is very big, so I am skip that diagram for that 16:1 multiplexer or equation. This is the truth table for 16:1 multiplexer. Date select input enable 1, we can select one of the input from 0 to 15, we select the inputs, and that input selects as a data input, and that output data input as a routed as a Y output. This is the 16:1 multiplexer. Then there are the different ICs are available for 16:2 other multiplexers IC that are available in the market, and that ICs are used for the practical or in a various applications. That practical we perform by this IC, that IC 74157. In that IC quad 2:1 multiplexer, this IC is used for 2:1 multiplexer. In that IC there are 4 multiplexer present, means quad 2:1 multiplexer, and its function same as the input, means in AND gate there are AND gate is a function that is a output of the AND gate as a that perform the multiplication operation, that like that 74157 operation as a same as the input 0, output as a 0, that is the function of that IC. And in that AND gate there are the 4 gates are present, and in 4 gets present, and in this 7415 say that that in a this IC is used for 2:1 multiplexer, and in that IC there are the quad multiplexers are present. Quad means 4 multiplexer. 74158, this IC is used for 2:1 multiplexer. In that IC there are the quad multiplexer 2:1 present. That function of that IC is a inverted output. Next IC is used for 74153. This IC is used for 4:1 multiplexer. In that IC there are the 2 multiplexer present, so this is the dual 4:1 multiplexer, and the function of that IC same as a input. Next 74352, this IC is used for dual 4:1 multiplexer, that is a inverted output as a function of that IC. 74151A, this IC is used for 8:1 multiplexer, and its function is complementing output. Next IC 74152, this IC is used for 8:1 multiplexer, and this IC function, in that IC there are 1 multiplexer is present. In this also 1 multiplexer, in this also 1 multiplexer, and output as a inverted. Next IC 74150, this IC is used for 16:1 multiplexer, and this IC function is a inverted output. These are the ICs used for the different ICs used for the different multiplexers. And application of multiplexer, that application of multiplexer, it is used as a data selector. To select one out of many data inputs, and it is used for the simplification of the logic design, and it is used in a data acquisition system, and it is used in a designing combinational circuit, D to A converter, and it uses or to minimize the number of connection in a logic circuit, because it is used as a data selector to select one out of the many data input. And data acquisition system mean in a one line there are the many data, but we require only one data acquire, that time that use as a multiplexer. This is the multiplexer types are completed, and next lecture we study the multiplexer tree, and these different ICs we use in a practical. Mostly this 16:2 or 8:1 multiplexer is used for the practical, and we perform by this IC as 8:1 multiplexer. Next lecture we study the multiplexer tree. That multiplexer tree having more multiplexers having more input, one output, but more number of inputs can be obtained by cascading of 2 or more number of multiplexer with less number of input. That is called as a multiplexer tree. This concept we clear by solving the problems. Thank you.